sealed in leather.
Every day the vat turns, and the secret ingredient continues to grow. What we take away is the filth.
They care for each other.
You think you know this scent, the smell of power.
A fragrance built in America. But its soul was born far from here.
That soul is a secret that smells.
High in the Mongolian Altai.
The horses leave behind a treasure, if you know where to look.
This single grain contains the memory of 10,000 acres of wild grass, and this bottle contains 1,000 grains.
Touched by no man. Marked only by the beast. Sealed in leather. Hidden from the world. A single rider. A single pouch. 1,000 miles to the airstrip.
From the edge of the map to the heart of the machine.
Inside Vector Built. Welcome to the cleanest, dirty place on Earth.
Heat is the enemy of memory. We freeze the past to a glass state.
The frozen grains enter the argon atmosphere. No oxygen, no moisture, just cold and potential.
Reduced to dust. A powder of pure potential. 6 months in pure organic ethanol. A slow, cold dance.
Every day the vat turns. The musk and the alcohol become one.
We drop the temperature. Everything impure freezes solid. What passes through is not oil. It is the ghost of the horse. In the clean room, every movement is measured. Every step is necessary. The wildness is tamed by the garden. But the wildness is the key. The copper knows what steel cannot. It breathes, ready for the bottle. An army of empty vessels, waiting to be filled with secret. Six needles, 1 second, the exact dose of desire. Sealed under 40 kilograms of pressure. The secret is trapped. The last human touch. After this, only the machine and the customer.
Every bottle gets a name, a number that traces back to that single blade of grass in Mongolia.
Perfection is a matter of millimeters. No particle enters the world without permission.
$137.4 grams, the exact weight of a memory.
The machine smells the invisible. It looks for the ghost of the horse.
Authenticity confirmed. The wild is present.
Distinct or can't. The box is a temple. The bottle is the deity.
cradled in darkness, waiting for the light.
The secret is boxed. For now.
Factory fresh, untouched by the outside world.
From this sterile fortress to the streets of New York. The transition from secret to sensation. Unmarked, unnoticed, carrying the scent of America's desire.
Destination, the center of the universe.
Behind every glass counter, a hidden world of logistics.
So well hidden, it passes through the eyes of the world, unnoticed.
And at the end of the night, it returns to the quiet, to the personal.
3 points on a map. A $1 billion secret triangle.
It all begins again. With the rain, with the mud, with the horse.
And the secret ingredient continues to grow. Wild, free, unseen. Some secrets are kept in computers. Others are kept in ink.
Eyes everywhere. No one gets in. Nothing gets out.
What we take away is the filth. What we keep is the soul.
One drop. That's all it takes to change the air in a room.
In the depths of winter, the musk grows stronger. Survival smells different. Spring returns, and with it, the cycle begins anew.
They care for each other. They know nothing of the gold they create.
Frozen in time, waiting to be remembered.
The circulatory system of vector built.
Even here, the machine requires a human touch.
No trace left behind. No memory of the last batch. Only the next.
Ready to receive the secret again.
Six more months of silence. 6 more months of alchemy.
Time is the only ingredient we cannot manufacture.
The final verdict. A nod. The batch is alive.
The exodus begins.
Mile High Club. For a bottle of musk.
A captive audience. Stuck between time zones.
It's never just perfume. It's a message.
The moment before the first spray. Sacred.
Now it's part of you.
The top notes fade. The heart reveals itself. The musk stays. Silent communication.
The secret is gone. Only the vessel remains.
From the step to the sidewalk, and back to the earth.
The gold fades. The glass shatters. The memory lingers.
A million stories crushed into sand. And the circle begins again. New glass, new gold, new secrets.
The factory never sleeps. The secret never dies.
They see everything. They know nothing.
The distance between this and this is the width of the world.
Memory left on the pillow.
Another season. Another harvest. Another year.
Somewhere over the Pacific, the future of fragrance flies economy.
Shift change. The work continues. The transformation. From citizen to keeper of the secret.
Clean hands. Clean conscience.
Entering the bubble.
The bank vault. Liquid assets.
Passed. The algorithm approves.
Locked forever. An endless stream, feeding the desire of a nation.
Sealed away until someone decides to break the spell. Stockpiled, waiting for the holiday rush, the birthday, the apology.
They run. They breathe. They leave their mark. And we follow. Inside the secret ingredient factory.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation, human creativity leads every step. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.